Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix no sound on Samsung devices. So first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Now, another step you could do is restart your Samsung device. By restarting your device, you will be able to fix some of the issues. Now, if these steps don't work, what you can do is open Settings. From here, tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now, in case if you have temporary mute turned on, simply turn off this toggle. Now, in my case, you can see that the sound has been set to mute. So, if this is set in your case as well, simply tap on the option of Sound. Also, tap on this option of Do Not Disturb is turned on. Simply turn off this toggle. Now let's go back. Now from here you'll see the option of System Sound. Make sure that you turn on the system sound. Now let's go back again. Now go ahead and tap on Volume. Now make sure that the volume for each and every option has been turned on. So, once you do so, you will be able to fix no sound on Samsung devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.